Yo, what's going on, streamers and content creators alike? It is Brady here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take one source of your stream and put it to multiple websites, whether you want that to be TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Mixer. I think that's a thing. No, Mixer actually is now in the garbage. But anyway, any source that involves a stream key, I'm going to be showing you how you can multi-output for completely free, all in OBS. Not Streamlabs OBS, OBS. So if you don't have OBS, go ahead and go in the description and download that right now. So now that you have OBS installed on your computer, or if you already did, the next thing you want to do is go in the description again and simply click this GitHub link. Get on Git. I don't know why I did that, but anyway, go in the description, click on this link, and it's going to take you to this GitHub page. And you're going to see some, looks like Chinese, I hope that's right. You're just going to go ahead and ignore all that. You just want to keep scrolling down until we see some proper English, which is currently what I'm speaking. And you're going to find that these assets right here, you want to click on this one. You can see it's got this white border around it, and it is the EXE. So all you want to do is click that, and it's going to begin installing on your computer. So basically, once it's downloaded, all you want to do is click installed, and it should say completed. It is only 4 megabytes to download. So I'm going to go ahead and close, and I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to need to close OBS. Alright guys, so even though my sources are now infinitely looping on OBS, basically once it is installed, you might have to restart OBS and then reopen it, which is what I had to do since I am recording on my computer. But all you need to do is go to Docs, and then you need to go down to multiple output. This will now be here. By clicking that, it will bring up this. It might already be open by default, but if it's not, you need to find it in the docs, and then you can drag about it and do what you need to do. So by default, OBS lets you use one stream key. For example, my OBS is directly linked to Twitch without the plugin, but with this plugin you can see that I have a target called YouTube. Now that is obviously going to my YouTube channel. So there's 2 sources. You can have multiple, not just 2. So all you need to do is click add new target, and basically you can give it a name. So for this example, I'll just say Twitch again, because I'm really not going to stream on any other platform besides these 2. But basically all you really need to do is put in the key right here. That is the stream key that TikTok has, YouTube has, all these other Kick, you name it. There's going to have keys, which is basically the link to what you are streaming to. So that is what you need to have. The RTMP server is basically the website that you're going to be streaming to. The most important thing is the key. You do not even need a username or password, nothing of these sorts. You really don't even need to change any of the video encoder settings, because you should have your OBS set up completely. If not, I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to set up your OBS completely for streaming, recording, all those good things. But yeah, it's going ahead and just rip it off from OBS, and all you have to do is press OK, and then you need to start streaming on OBS first, and then just click start, and it'll do it like so. I will do it right now. I hit start stream, boom, I'm now actually officially live on Twitch, and let me go ahead and just hit start YouTube. Now all I'm gonna do is go to my Twitch real quick, which is of course in the description. If you guys wouldn't mind, go ahead and just dropping a follow over there. It does say that I am live, or it did for a second there, so hopefully it will pop back up that I am. Give me 1 second here. So it took me a second to get it, but I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple swivels to show you that I am still live. You can see that it is now playing through that. And then if I go to here, you can see that I'm also still live here as well. So I'm live on not only Twitch, but I am also live on YouTube, therefore verifying that this actually works. So if you guys did find this video helpful, make sure you guys go check out my socials down below. Give me a follow, maybe drop me some questions through my personal Instagram or wherever you can reach me. I'd be definitely willing to help, and I hope you guys have the best success for your streams and your content creation. Enjoy the journey, keep learning, and keep grinding, and I'm sure you'll get to where you want to be. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Brady. Catch you guys in the next one.